Hey guys, in this video I'll tell you about Motic. Alright, let's begin. First of all, if we talk about Motic, it is a powerful, open-source marketing automation tool that has gained attention for its flexibility and extensive feature set, making it a top choice for businesses looking to customize their marketing automation to suit specific needs. It's an excellent alternative for companies that want more control and flexibility compared to traditional email marketing platforms. One of Motic's standout features is its open-source nature, meaning you can host it yourself and fully customize the platform according to your business requirements. This is ideal for companies that need tailored solutions or want to avoid vendor lock-in. Additionally, Motic offers a comprehensive set of tools for managing email marketing campaigns, automating workflows, and tracking customer interactions across multiple channels like email, SMS, social media, and even web notifications. The Motic drag and drop builder is intuitive and easy to use, allowing you to create professional email campaigns without any coding skills. It supports advanced segmentation, letting you target specific audiences based on behaviors, preferences, and interactions. This ensures personalized marketing and a better user experience. In conclusion, Motic is ideal for businesses that prioritize flexibility and customization in their marketing automation. It's particularly well-suited for companies that need tailored solutions and want to avoid vendor lock-in. However, if you're looking for a more straightforward, cloud-based solution with less complexity, you might need to consider other marketing automation tools. So that's basically all about Motic. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.